and good morning. I am absolutely knackered, but it is Teddy's first birthday today, so we're doing a little vlog. Just obviously we're doing his birthday in lockdown, so it's just us four today, and we're doing a cake smash today and a teddy bear's picnic, teddy bear's themed picnic. So yeah, it should be pretty good. I'll show you the cake we got for the cake smash as well. So my sister picked me this up from Costco, the big chocolate fudge cake. That's just the one for the cake smash. We didn't want to go too special with that. And this is stuff we got for the picnic. Our teddy bear themed, of course, with Teddy being called Teddy. His little crown for when he does his smash. Then we got this that my sister made him. Don't want to drop it. A little teddy bear cake. Well, say a little, it's quite big. Can't wait to get tucked into that. Teddy, is it your birthday?
Yeah. Teddy won.
It is, he's one. Your crazy hair.
Yeah. It's in my face. Teddy's birthday. I got a balloon. Whoa.
You got a badge on. Wow. You look so cool. You gonna open your presents? Teddy, you helping him?
Yeah.
Go on then. Teddy. He's happy he's got his tractor. Teddy.
Wow. So cool.
Ivy, come out.
So cool that.
There you go. Teddy, you're not done bad, have you? You got some more presents coming. You smiling, Ivy? Go on then. Teddy, Teddy, what you got?
Book.
Thank you, Ivy.
A book.
Aww,
I got that book.
they're cute. Do you like your books?
Me too.
You too.
Yes.
Teddy. Go on, Teddy, get tucked in.
I'll just sit here.
Go on, smash it. I've never seen such a delicate smash. Go on, pal. Grab it. Oh, on the knee. There we go, getting a bit messier now. That's what we want. Yeah.
Yes, isn't it? Round. I think I can know.
How much have we got? Oh, you've hardly been today. You happy? Yeah. Little nod. You enjoying your little cake?
Yeah.
Couldn't leave you out, could we? That wouldn't be
I got
fair.
it by my mouth.
You've not really?
Yeah.
Teddy's got it round his mouth.
2.
You've not.
I know.
You're doing really good. I'm sorry it's not quite as big as Teddy's. Okay?
Yeah.
Teddy.
It's me. Blue.
Are you having a spoon?
I think it needs help.
Needs out. You need to. What sorcery is this? Go ah. Where you going, Teddy? I hope it's not in there on the nice carpet. Oh, in the middle. Okay, he is covered. Oh, and he's gelled his hair nicely. Let's look at the damage so far. Do you know what? It's not actually that bad. He just makes it look worse. And the wall. No.
No.
He's just happy eating away. Got into a chocolate trance. Teddy, don't go too far. You're a little bit mucky. Oh. Uh-oh. 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 Close up time. Teddy. Oh. Look at the hair. You need a bath. You look accomplished, pal. Is that good? Oh, are you sharing cake? One big cake together. Oh, you're not going to sleep tonight.
Ivy, Teddy?
Teddy. Oh. You got a chocolatey face. Yeah.
I've got 4.
You got a fork. Ivy?
Cheese.
Oh, you got a bit chocolate as well.
Well, my mouth.
Wow, some serious dints out of it now. That's mainly Teddy, that one. Clean up duty whilst he's in the bath. Oh, that's not. Okay, that is Stirk. Now it's my turn. So, the cake smash was an absolute success. He's absolutely loved it, as we expected him to. He's having a bath now, obviously, because he is rather mucky. And it's actually nap time, but he's just had a lot of sugar. So I'm not so certain nap time's going to go to plan today. Oh yeah, I forgot we put some like bunting up last night. There were some things in the window as well, but they face outside. But I don't think he's going to have his nap time. And then we're just waiting between 12 and 1. We're getting all the like picnicky things delivered. It's like a kid's afternoon tea and an adult's afternoon tea, but they're very good off this company local to us. So we're just waiting on them to come now. So yeah. Some of his presents he's just got today. These are for his bedroom. Got a bit of Wonga as well.
I'm gonna play that
Some
racing
decent
car.
cash. He's obviously claiming this one as hers, even Teddy's. It is pretty fun, to be honest. I've been playing with it too. Got some little train and building blocks. He loves things like this. He loves wheels. He's obsessed with wheels. We got him this, which he seems to absolutely love. Again, we got it in mainly because of wheels. But it, 1 minute. It moves about, and so far he's played with this the most.
It's got farmer.
Him?
It's got farmer on it.
It has. It's got a farmer on it.
I like farmers.
You like farmers? You're gonna be one of them as well as a doctor and a train driver.
Yep.
Cool, you do it all then, aren't you?
Train and a tram. And a tram.
You don't want to be a tram driver, that's boring. I'll do that. Try this out. We usually use this in the summer in the garden, but figured seeing as this is a party, we'll use it today for the drinks, for the teddy bear's picnic. So we'll pack this over here as I sort the table out. Probably move that cake out of the way now. Bring the other one out. Yeah, it's alright this for these little cups. So the afternoon teas have just been delivered. And this is the kids one. And it's got cheese, ham and I think might be, I don't know, an egg mayo or something for them. Some mini sausage rolls, scotch eggs, some crisps, loads of biscuits, fruit and some cupcakes. And then the adults one, to mine and Sophie's, is ham, egg mayo, tuna and cucumber, cheese, some little pork pies, cocktail sausages, sausage rolls, Costco cake, which is exactly the same as the one we've already got, which is fantastic, a carrot cake one, some scones, an egg custard, a little pot of jam, and some cheesecakes and some cream. I think it's really good, and I think they're a great idea as well. Now all we need is Teddy to wake up so we can crack on with it. There we go, all set up now, and it looks amazing. Now we're just waiting for the birthday boy to wake up from his big sleep, and we can tuck into it because we are starving. Ivy, could you wait for Teddy to wake up?
Yeah.
You couldn't, could you?
Yeah.
You were hungry.
I would.
You had to have your dinner.
Yeah, of course.
We're still waiting for Teddy though, aren't we? Even though I'm very hungry. Bit nice, Ted.
Mine's yummy too.
Yeah. Ooh, what are you having next? Oh, another Chris.
Yeah.
You enjoying it, Teddy?
Okay.
And you? What are you having next? Why you have a tuna sandwich? Or cheese or ham?
Can I have a carrot cake? That one.
You can't have more dessert. You gotta have some. I think they're both done now. They have eaten lots and lots though. Just leftover sandwiches for me tonight. From that they have quite a lot. Oh, happy you. Teddy! 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 Ivy! There we go, we tidied up sort of, without Ivy destroying the place completely. Time to get Teddy's ball pit out since he's got some new balls for it. Wow. Wow. That good?
Yes.
Is that more? Wow.
I won't go in now. Oops. I'm laying in it too.
The idea is to keep them in there, Ted.
Yeah, I am. And not get hurt.
His face.
What's this? Yes, move. I see you. I was hiding. Huh?
Ooh, looks nice.
Already sing happy birthday.
You gonna sing?
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Go on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Teddy. Happy birthday to you.
So I've decided to treat everybody now to a McDonald's because I'm really nice like that. Ivy's having a good old kip in the back. And I'm very safely recording and having a little drive around drive-through. So we've got chicken nuggets and chippies for Ivy. Got Teddy a burger Happy Meal over there. And so we've got the chicken select. And I opted for getting nothing because I've ate too much already today and I'm still full. But I'm going to have a rum and coke. Teddy's never fails to,
That's my way.
well, turn food down. Bit on the floor, but Teddy, they're good. Yes, I've got your good side. You done?
Yeah.
Was yours nice?
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
It's bedtime soon.
Bedtime?
Yeah.
Soon?
Yeah. So that's it for Teddy's first birthday. There wasn't much recorded after obviously the last bit before this, just because things got difficult. Ivy was a bit jealous probably, and she got a little bit mardy, tantrumy, made things a bit difficult. So obviously all the effort was going into just parenting instead of videoing. But it was a good day all in all. We can't do a great deal of things because of lockdown, but it's been good. They're all in bed now, sleeping away. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future vlogs. It's been nice. Like I say, for his first birthday, just having the video stored away somewhere on YouTube, whatever, just so that we can watch it in the future, especially with him. It's going to be nice. Especially with it being his first birthday being in a lockdown during a pandemic, it just makes things a bit more interesting, I think. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and obviously sub, because I do a lot of videos with my kids and vlogs and things like that. But yeah, and hopefully see you in the next one, and bye bye.